So what we want to do is make eye contact with the sharks. We want to not splash or flail. Try to keep our hands and body parts in a little bit closer to ourselves. Rules and guidelines allow us to look more like a predator in their environment and less like a prey. Sharks are top predators. They're wild animals. So by no means do we think that they are little puppy dogs. Wild animals of any kind are totally unpredictable. However, you'd be surprised with how well-behaved sharks actually are with humans. Sharks are really uninterested in humans as a food source. That's sort of where Jaws and the media tend to get it wrong. We like to give these sort of demonstration videos for those that may end up in the ocean where they're not with a trained guide, right? But then they might have a little bit of knowledge of how to interact. So we are able to have very safe interactions. I've never had a bite occur with myself or any of my guests. But they're wild animals. So this is not to say that they're little puppy dogs by any means. I see the beauty of this animal. This is hundreds of millions of years. These guys were on the planet before us. So I just look at them and I'm like, wow, this is, nature's evolutionary perfection. Shark populations around the world are in decline. Many species are becoming critically endangered. And one great way for us to help combat that is to eat less seafood, eat no seafood. Commercial fishing is one of the biggest problems that sharks are facing. They're being caught as bycatch and being killed even though we don't intend to eat them.